Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold on me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard. Cause you're in my space and now I'm so hold me towards you and I can.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. My jacket is like insane. Just got the girls loaded up into the car. We are going grocery shopping and I'm really excited for today's video. I'm gonna be sharing kind of like a vlog style, get it all done with me. We're gonna be doing some cleaning, of course. Again, going grocery shopping, meal prepping, and yeah, just again, getting it all done. So come along with me on the day, put me up on whatever device, clean along with me. Do what you gotta do, tackle your mess, get it done with me. Let's go. Let me know down below if you actually physically go to the grocery store to get your grocery shopping done, or if you do curbside pickup, grocery pickup, whatever you wanna call it. Let me know what you guys do in your home. All right, everybody, we're back from the store. I'm now on my camera. I was on my phone last time, so it does get a little shaky, so I apologize about that. I might even take out some or all of that footage, so we'll see what happens when I'm editing. But I have my groceries behind me. I'm not gonna share a full grocery haul, as I feel like this is like generic as to what I get. So if you want to see a grocery haul, I'll have one linked below. I have a really good grocery haul and like how I budget that is really, really valuable. So I will go ahead and share that below, but I just want to share a few things with you. Let's start off with today's impulse buy, itchy band noodles, because like, why not? Let me know down below what your impulse buy was at your last grocery shop. Okay, so I got some meat. I'm not gonna flip this around because it does actually have like the details of the store I shop at, and for privacy reasons, I don't wanna share that. But I just got some ham and then some turkey. This is just regular like deli meat. This is the smoked and it is so good, you guys. I highly recommend hitting up your deli and using this stuff in my wrap recipe, which I've shared 100 times. We got tons of fruit, you guys. Fruits, vegetables, oranges and apples is like a new staple in our house because they last a long time. I got some squash, some butternut squash. I'm gonna be making that this week as Lily has been obsessed. I got, of course, you guys know, I'm obsessed with this. And the reason I'm obsessed with this is because there's so many uses for it. So I'm gonna make some, I forget what they're called, chicken enchiladas, I think, tonight. And I'm gonna be sharing the recipe a little bit later in the video, so stay tuned for that. But when you're done with this, you can actually make homemade bone broth, which is so good. So good for you. And I did that last time and I honestly don't know why I haven't done it every time, so I'm probably gonna be doing that a little bit later as well. But it's just such a good thing to have, you guys, especially like flu season and stuff like that. So really, really good. Honestly, pick up a rotisserie chicken is like the whole point of that little spiel. Also got some bagels. You guys, I love freezing bagels. They taste the same, so every time they're on sale, I literally buy 2 of them and then I freeze them because again, they taste the same. So there's that. Last thing I want to show you guys is pierogies. I love pierogies. I'm like a pierogi snob. Not gonna lie, I'm Ukrainian. So let me know down below if you like pierogies, but these are my favorite kind. And I do also make really good homemade ones, but obviously like I don't always have that much time and energy, and I usually do it once a year and I missed out last year, so I might actually, maybe I should make pierogies. Anyway, getting off topic, I do have a video on how to make homemade pierogies. If you want to see that, I will have it linked below, but let's go ahead and get these groceries put away and move on.
When you were leaving, I need you even more than I did before. You had the last word when you walked out the door. You drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. Now I'm here alone, I hate this party and I don't know anyone. We get drunk and we fight, but I forgive you, although you drive me crazy, I
So for this wrap recipe, if you're new here, you're just gonna need some, I put peppers, cucumber, the Laughing Cow cheese, some deli meat, and then some wraps, and you can sprinkle extra cheese in it if you want to.
The trigger and I'm just blown away downright. My mind's indifferent to know what's wrong or right. Her bite is bittersweet, cause I'm stuck between her lines. She silenced me with words that shouldn't be combined. I can't go on. I'm weighing us down. Just a little bit of you and I go find to make things right. I know you see me too, baby. I just want you badly now.
Okay. I'm a hot mess express here, but you guys, I honestly love her. I've been doing her workouts for about a month and a half now, and I just love them. Like, I'm sweating. It's a walking workout, so like it doesn't, as you're doing it, it doesn't seem so hard, but like I'm sweating, like dripping, you guys. It's actually disgusting. If you could touch my back, you don't want, maybe TMI. I feel like we're friends, right? I can say that. Anyway, I'm gonna do some homeschooling with my daughter. We're gonna go to the park, and then I'm gonna share that recipe with you guys. So stay tuned for that. So this is what we use for our curriculum. We are in this Level K course book, and then this math good from the Good and the Beautiful. I can link these down below. There won't be affiliate links, but they're pretty awesome. We love them. So yeah, we're gonna do this. The first thing she does is works on writing her letters and stuff, and then we get into the books. I actually don't know if we will do this one today. We might just do some math, as it's already almost 2 o'clock. My other daughter, my youngest, will probably wake up from her nap really soon, and like I said, we have plans to leave this afternoon, but we'll see how much we get done. She's 4, so it's fine. It's fine. What's one day?
dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm
What happens if I add one more?
this
How many do you have?
moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever.
13. Okay, can you write number 13 in the
Forever.
more than?
I watch
no, it's for the
you
other
as
one.
you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you, everything's
A 1 and a 3, right?
Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on,
Beautiful.
just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's here. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, 'cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, 'cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No,